how to convert a landscape video to portrait in CapCut. In this tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to change a horizontal video into a vertical format for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. First, open CapCut on your computer. Click Import and select the landscape video you want to edit. Drag the video onto the timeline. Next, click the ratio option. By default, your project will be set to 16 by 9. To convert it to a portrait video, select 9 by 16. Your video will now switch to a vertical format, but you may notice black bars or extra space around the edges. To fill the screen, click on the video in the preview window. Then drag the corner handles outward to zoom in until the video fills the entire screen. You can also drag the video to reposition it and choose the part you want to keep visible. Once you're happy with the framing, preview your video to make sure everything looks good. Finally, click Export to save your portrait video. And that's it. You've successfully converted a landscape video into a portrait video in CapCut. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out more CapCut tips and tutorials.